Ever tried gaming with bulky headsets on the go? Or struggled to switch between your console and phone? I used to juggle different headphones for every device. And let's not talk about tangled wires or battery anxiety. But then I found the SteelSeries Arctis GameBuds. Check out the description for the best price on Amazon. These are true gaming earbuds that fit in your pocket. No more heavy headsets or carrying multiple pairs. Quick Switch lets me jump from Xbox to mobile instantly. The L-shaped dongle connects to Xbox, PC, Switch, and more. Or just use Bluetooth 5.3 for seamless mobile pairing. It's literally plug, play, and switch. No hassle. The sound? Absolutely next level for earbuds. Active noise canceling blocks out distractions completely. Need awareness? Just toggle transparency mode. 360 degrees. Spatial audio puts you right in the action. Hear footsteps, shots, and every detail around you. Custom neodymium drivers deliver crisp, immersive sound. And the Companion App is a total game changer. Over 100 audio presets for top games. Just tap and play. Boost critical sounds in shooters or enhance RPG soundtracks. Personalize your EQ for every game or mood. Let's talk battery, because it's wild. 10 hours per charge keeps me playing all day. And the Qi charging case gives 3 extra charges. That's up to 40 hours before I need a wall outlet. No more worrying about running out mid-match. The case is super compact, fits right in my pocket. Perfect for gaming sessions, commutes, or travel. The earbuds themselves are ergonomic and comfy. 3 sizes of silicone tips mean a perfect fit. I can wear them for hours. No fatigue, no slipping. Even during intense matches or on the move. They're IP55 water resistant, so sweat and rain? No problem. Customizable ear controls make everything easy. Adjust volume, skip tracks, or answer calls with a tap. Switch from gaming to music without missing a beat. Let me show you how fast the Quick Switch works. Plug in the dongle. Boom. Connected to Xbox. Want to switch to mobile? Tap. And it's on Bluetooth. No lag, no dropouts, just instant connection. I can even take calls mid-game and jump back seamlessly. The ANC kicks in, blocking background noise at the cafe. Or I toggle transparency mode when I need to hear traffic. The app presets really do make a difference. I choose a shooter preset for Warzone, footsteps pop. Switch to an RPG preset for epic soundtracks. It's like having a pro sound engineer in my pocket. Battery low? Drop them in the case for a quick top-up. Qi wireless charging means no hunting for cables. And the case charges fast, back to gaming in minutes. I love that I can use these for work calls too. Crystal clear mic picks up my voice, no background noise. Switch back to gaming, and I'm ready for another round. The compact design is super discreet, no gamer bulk. Perfect for tech lovers who want performance and style. And for mobile users, it's a total upgrade over stock buds. No more sacrificing sound quality for portability. SteelSeries nailed the balance between comfort and power. Whether I'm gaming at home or out and about, they deliver. Honestly, I can't imagine going back to regular earbuds. If you want seamless switching between devices, immersive sound, and marathon battery life, the Arctis GameBuds are a total game changer. Say goodbye to bulky headsets and tangled wires. Take pro-level gaming audio everywhere you go. Ready to upgrade your setup? Check out the description for the best price on Amazon. Trust me, your ears and your games will thank you. Level up your sound wherever you play. Grab yours now and experience the difference.